A viral video of a crab vendor wiping her bottom after defecating in a food stall disgusted and shocked the country. But what happens now? How important is street food to Jamaican culture, and what kind of monitoring is needed? We're going to be talking about those issues later on in the program, and we welcome your comment as well. So remember, you can WhatsApp us. It's 876-381-0072. 876-381-0072. Give us your first name, give us your general location, tweet us, or hashtag is TVJ all angles. First though, before discussion, we have guests in studio and on Zoom, but first let's hear from some of the street food vendors of the corporate area. So tell me what you think about what you heard about happening down at Hero Circle.
Yeah, I feel bad about it because we sell on the roadside for do our little hustling, and for see that it look bad, make bad for we other people. So we have to just do the right thing. You understand me? Yeah, we have to just do the right thing. What she do, she wrong still. She should apologize to the nation about it.
But it's a disgrace. The government was not acting until it was social media brought it to attention. But the government knows that here's now they don't have no water, whatever. Them a bash the woman. Yeah, she is wrong for what she did, but the government should have taken action long enough time, because government by politician by there, famous people by there. So the government could have said, okay, a spot like that, make we ensure so there's a proper utilities and everything should have been there in places, because for years now, Euro Circle, them fix it up. Euro Circle didn't have the rear naval sign and all them branding there until it went public. So if the government did fix it up for them, why not put in the proper things in place?
What happened at Euro Circle can happen to anyone, but that was looking very nasty. And I'm out here and I'm sick. I go home.
Like how so much people from overseas and over Jamaica actually go up here, go eat crab and those stuff. Why and the mayor and council eat crab from there? Why them never see to it that there's a bathroom?
But you take time out to video that you have a heart. Anybody take a time out to video it, at least it's unclean. But if you take a time out to video that, your heart's unclean.
She's wrong, yeah. And the person who video it, I think them should have more do it a more appropriated way. Because you see what's going on now, the vendors are going to come under pressure. To me now, the time that I'm going to take to video certain things, I will try to pacify certain things.
What about you if you need to use a bathroom where you...
Well, I use here and over there at school.
So you have arrangements at electric?
I'm here very early in the morning. I have a second who will sweep up for me. I wake up in the morning time, he sweep up, take up the rubbish. I have my rubbish box, more than one rubbish box. I also buy my fly catchers, as you can see. These are my fly catchers. So once there's fly, I catch my fly on this. And once it's full, it's full like this, I will tape it up, throw it in the garbage and replace it to the next one. I have my dish towel, my water and everything. Yeah, I smoke, but once I'm going to smoke, I wash mine. Once I'm going to do somebody, I do the same. But I have to be as clean as possible. Make sure that around my thing, please. As you can look, I can see that my presentation is very excellent. So I have to make sure I keep that, because I don't know who is walking, who is buying from you. So you have to make a thing look appropriate and professional. That's when people come around, they can say, yes, this is a good look.
I have a little shop down there, so what I do, go town in the morning, buy me little goods, me little food and thing, come back, wash and clean up, put all the pot up here so make the meat cook up here, so. And then now I peel the food down there and push it into the hand cart there, so. And come up and finish it right here, so.
So how you keep the area clean and you yourself clean during the day?
Sweep up and go down by the shop and wash up myself, wash up my hand and them thing. Anything get dirty, me just go down the shop because I have running water down there. And that's an inside.
And if you use a bathroom, you use down there?
Bathroom down there.
Tell me how you keep your place clean now. You mentioned you have water. Where's the what kind of water you have?
I have running water.
Where you have running?
On the back. I have pipe. I come out, I have my bucket with my water on the pipe. So I use it. out here and customer wash them, man. And I say, me have my water when me use.
So like you want to use a bathroom now, where you use?
Me have a bathroom around the back.
There's a bathroom in the arcade right there we use. And I always have my two drum them with water, one with a pipe at the side. So somebody eat from me, them can wash off them. And I always have my alcohol sanitizer. And I have my soap bars there.
So like you're well set up, man.
No, it's just food. Remember, bacteria takes 20 to 30 minutes to multiply. So you have to treat people food better. And cooking out there every day, bacteria without above 60, if anything below 60 degrees, bacteria strives. So you have to treat the food like you treat it for yourself. You can treat it, slap it, Bobby, and feed someone.
All right, for me, a morning time I come, I wash out the yard, I knock out the patty box them because you know the crumbs on them someday, and we have a roach on them look someday. So when you come now, you have to actually clean up your yard before you come and support a thing. And me now, I have to dress appropriately, clean. That's when people see me. If you don't want something from me, you're gonna look and you're gonna observe until you're ready for it. So you have to know how to carry yourself and know the approach. You have to have an approach.
What about things like hand washing and so where you wash hands?
Yeah, that's vital. But for me, I keep myself clean and stuff like that. And if something drop, I pull water and wash it off same time. When I have a problem for pull of water, I'll carry a water.
What happens if you need to use a bathroom?
Huh?
What happens if you need to use a bathroom?
Oh, this is like town, and like you have tasties, you have all around. You have wholesale, you have friends, them have the bathroom, you ask them, you use the bathroom.
And that's no problem?
That's no problem.
Once I want to use the bathroom, my mother is right around the lane, so I just run around the road. But if me feel ill, like I have a belly ache, I'm not going to really come road.
So are you worried that all the talk about what happened at Hero Circle might affect your business?
Yes, I think so. Because why? Some people is so funny.
And when the end of the day, we might look down upon the smaller people, but big. If you go in at some of these big restaurants, it's more terrible.
90% of the time, more nastiness is in the high restaurants than the street people. I've worked in the high places, high restaurants, where people go like every Friday, every weekend, and more nastiness there. So because what? Health inspectors once in a blue moon, and health inspectors really visit those high-end restaurants.
So like what you would have seen there?
Working there, I say, well, nastiness, even the same what them say, they're supposed to have meat and the running water, dishes, supposed to bring some running water. Most of those high restaurants now want to do that because if me I wash dishes from morning as a dish person, because I used to wash dish from morning to the afternoon till the place close. That's more than 30,000 out of water there alone.
So do you think it's something that's going to affect whether people continue to buy from street vendors?
Yes, and will for some people won't because them buying from a person regular and them see how them treat their food or the product. Yeah, it won't really affect everyone because people know who them are buy from. But sadly I say people's opinion on street vendors has been changed based on the whole situation. It's a good thing the lady released it. Because at least now it brings awareness to certain things to the government. Say, street vendors is a part of Jamaica economy because everybody have time for going out on a high restaurant, grab a breakfast, grab a soup, or grab a cup of tea. You need the street vendors, so we need to put proper things in place for them.
You think it's something that would make like you lose customer?
Yeah, me will lose customer because people will talk about it, say them now buy from people, but you will have a genuine customer who come same way and buy same way. But it look a waste still.
No. As you see, I just sell a potato juice to all your corporate people and like get them cause like for me now, I don't know if they with people and all.
Any of your customers been saying anything to you, say boy, they're worried about street food now?
Yes, some of them. I won't lie. Some of them will say, boy, creamy. No worried about the street food, but it's like I said, me have to buy from you because I know it so much years, you know? And them not stop.
So tell me about your situation now. You have food handlers permit?
Yeah, I have my food handler permit because the one problem with the government need to do now is change the one year situation. It doesn't help. You give me a food handler's permit and when we do the test, you have to wait 3-4 months before you get the piece of plastic. And then after that, 1 year it expires. That makes no sense. I have to do the test all over again.
Tomorrow I'm going improvement in food anglers because about 3 months now, in December it up. So I'll going back down there tomorrow now for improve it.
So when I hear you say you're going tomorrow to sort it out, tell me why?
Because I want to put myself on the right track.
You have a food handler's permit?
All right. I am a chef, so I know I did have one, but through me end up move from where I did live, so I did end up and miss up. So I need to get it back.
What about food handler's permit? You have one of that?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't have it on me right now.
So what you want to see happen from going forward from here?
The government for the better. Your circle is a proper spot. It got close, we all know it got open back, but provide the proper stuff that even get a bathroom for them and say, all right, then we get a bathroom, I got to pay this amount. If we can't get running water here, we get to know a water tank or whatever. And we pay the bill for keep it full every week, every month or whatever. At least then when everything go wrong, there's no blame game to be played.
But we need back the sanitary inspectors to come out and check us regular on food and glass. But food and glass is not that alone. And my one is updated. And even though whether I'm sick, I go there, they still make me do my test. So we need back the sanitary inspectors out in the road to see what's going on.
They used to come out here, what they used to do?
Yes, and check what you sell and so forth.
Like what and what they would ask or what them used to do?
All right, so we have outdated things. They check and tell us that they get rid of it and what's of you.
You think government need to do anything more in terms of checking on people and checking on food vendors?
Well, yeah, I think so. But like come and see if everybody have them food anglers or them keeping them thing and stuff like that.
How you would say it contribute to Jamaican life or Jamaican culture?
Yeah, it's good for Jamaican culture because people from overseas can come taste our chicken. Enough time we have people from overseas come and a video we buy our chicken.
Don't stop hustling, please. Enough of us don't have no subject, don't have no work. And if you don't have no subject, you can get a work. I make a work for myself. They support my kids and my family. So please don't stop this. You can do whatever you want to do, but in the harder way, but don't stop it, please.
Okay, remember, we'll welcome your comments. You can WhatsApp us 3810072. Give us your first name, give us your general location. When we come back after the break, we go to our guests. And of course, we share some of your comments. So stay tuned, we'll soon come.